Now, former Jamaican West Indies bowling legend, now commentator Michael Holding, delivered a powerful message against racism on Wednesday, asserting that the black race has been dehumanized and its accomplishments have been wiped off from a history, quote, written by people who do the harm, end quote. Holding, a member of the Sky Sports commentary team, noted that institutionalized racism must be eradicated for the good of as cricket waited to restart amid the COVID-19 pandemic in Southampton with the England and West Indies test.
Education is important unless we just want to continue living the life that we are living and continue just having demonstrations every now and again and a few people saying a few things. And when I say education, I mean going back in history. What people need to understand is that this thing stems from a long time ago, hundreds of years ago. The dehumanization of the black race is where it started. And people will tell you, oh, that's a long time ago, get over it. No, you don't get over things like that. And the society has not gotten over something like that.
Players from both teams sported Black Lives Matter logos on their jerseys to make a statement against racism following global protests triggered by African-American George Floyd's death at the hands of a white police officer in the USA.